What's up, fellow traders? I had to post my 331 blog this morning because YouTube was down last night, but I still wanted to post what I was looking at last night. I know a lot of you probably didn't watch it until the market was already open and rebounding, but that's how it goes. I still wanted to post that edition so we can keep on track here. Tonight's going to be pretty much short and sweet. We had our little rebound today off that low there. We went down underneath the 50-day on the Dow, came back up. We stayed above it on the S&P. I'm still looking for a down day tomorrow. I'm going to grab the camera and show you why. As far as 8,000 coming into play here, it's kind of like what I've been talking about, 10,000. It's not going to be really easy to get back up through 8,000. I'm going to show you that too here when I close this out, why 8,000 is going to be such a battle, and we could possibly see 6,000. And that's kind of where I'm at right now on my positions. Anything I get into long is going to be quick. I'm not at the post this week, so I really haven't been doing much trading, but on Monday on that Microsoft trade, I wish I would have held for a couple days. I still got my short on Dollar Tree. I'm looking to cover anywhere in the 40s on that, and so I'm going to grab this camera and show you what's going on here. This is the Dow right here back into November. Okay, this is our uptrend we just had, which I drew. It's real simple, our uptrend trend line, and see right here on this red where we came through it right here. See, the volume's kind of been more than these next 2 days where it's been up, and ironically, why I'm calling for the pullback, because here's this downtrend that we broke through, and I still think we're going to come down and touch it. And now on this uptrend, look at where we closed at, right on the nut of this uptrend. And here's this one I was showing back a couple days, the support line here, which turned into our resistance. Okay, so you could see a little pop back up to 8,000, which would be like a nice little double top. It's got to power through the 78.80, which is a key spot. And if it powers through that and through 8,000, I'll be looking to pick up, on the pullback to 8,000 for our run up to 9,500. But as of right now, I'm looking for the pullback to the 7,200, 7,000 area right here. I'm going to roll over to the long range chart. This is from 96 to present here. And as you can see, when we crashed down in 02, we were just barely dipping under the 8,000. And then if you come back to right here in 98, where we battled the 8,000 before powering through. See that? But see our dip, this dip in November, that's that low in 98 right there. Okay? Before we started making our charge up to 2,000. So we're basically underneath this 8,000 right here, and the volume is like, it's just not there. It's almost like the 30% run's done, and I've never seen anything over the charts that's come this straight up and been the start of a fat run. It was too fast, too quick. As you can see right here, they really shake you out. They slammed it down, and then this is just pretty much equivalent to the run we just had right here. And then look at, they slam you down again, slam you again, and slam you again. And then look, the rebound run's actually a more gradual climb. I'd still like to see our test of 950, 1,000 by the end of April. But for that to happen, man, we got to power through 8,000. on the Dow, and we got to stay above 800 on the S&P for that to happen. You know, rolling back over here on this chart, we've already kind of broken the uptrend now, and we've closed right on the nut here. So, you know, I'm calling for our pullback to start tomorrow on this sell on the news, hopefully. Because if this thing dwindles up like to 8,000, I still won't be a buyer yet. It's got to break through 8,000 on a strong volume, and then when we get our little lower wick back or something, that's when I'll pick up. So as of right now, I'm only a buyer around 7,000 to 7,200 on the Dow, 730 to 750 on the S&P. You know, today was kind of nice. That's why I posted my blog, even though I couldn't post it last night. It was a good one to post, because, you know, like I said before, I'm not doing this to, you know, hey, look at what I see and what I can do, because, like I said, nobody knows. We're only trying to do the best we can in this market as a trader. I just like to share this with my friends that don't trade, and just to show them what I see. And I was really anxious to post that this morning before I left, just to show you that, yeah, I mean, I called for the sell-off today, but, you know, it reversed. It was nice seeing it down. It would have nice to have continued down to hit this mark that I feel we need to hit before we continue up to the 900, 9,000 areas. So tomorrow's key, like I showed you, we're right on the top there where we broke that uptrend. We're right back there, and we're on our old support, which is acting as our resistance. Good luck.